In this video, we'll be showing you how you can make thousands of dollars with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Why Pinterest? Pinterest is the most underrated social media platform. It has roughly 445 million active users each month worldwide on their platform, meaning that you can drive lots of organic traffic without paying any ads to your affiliate links or website, which can generate thousands of dollars each month. And this is why you should take advantage of their high organic reach. And affiliate marketing is when you're basically promoting other people's products or products from other companies, and you get a commission for every sale you make through your link. And what's nice about affiliate marketing is that you can start today with $0, and the only thing you need is to sign up and be accepted into any affiliate program. It's also great for beginners, and you don't have to buy any inventory to get started, and you can do it full-time or part-time depending on your schedule. And the best affiliate program to start with is ClickBank. And this is because it's easy to sign up for and create a profile. ClickBank also has many categories to choose from depending on your niche. And you can also promote multiple affiliate products at the same time, which helps you make more money. And you can also use other affiliate programs other than ClickBank, such as Amazon Associates and Sephora, depending on your niche. These programs, however, have specific requirements you need to meet, and they also take time for you to get approved of. For instance, to be a Sephora affiliate, you need a website. So you can choose any affiliate program that you think meets your needs. And once you get approved in any of the affiliate programs, you'll get a unique affiliate link. And this affiliate link will help track all the sales you've made in any period of time. So whoever buys through your affiliate link, you'll get a commission. To get started, you need to create a business account on Pinterest. But if you have a personal account, you can always convert it to a business account through these following steps. First, log into your Pinterest account using the app or on your laptop. Then click the three dots on the top of your profile and click on Settings. Then click on Account Settings and scroll down. Then click on Convert to a Business Account. Then click on Convert Account. Then enter your profile name, website, and answer some of their questions. And these questions are related to you and your account. And when you finish, click on Done. Now you need to add a profile picture and banner to make your account look more professional. And you can create a simple logo and banner for free using Canva. And they have a lot of templates to choose from, so it's very easy to design. Or you can pay someone to make them using Fiverr. Now you need to add a description including keywords to optimize and give Pinterest information about what your account is about. And if you don't have any idea what to put in your description, you can always look at other accounts in your niche for inspiration, but make sure not to copy word for word. And make sure you add your personal touch. And just so you know, you can only have one link in your Pinterest bio. But we're going to be using a tool called Direct Me to put multiple affiliate links to maximize our profits. So one link is going to have all your affiliate links all in one place. First, go to Direct Me, and you can type this on Google and it'll take you to their website, and create an account. And make sure your username and picture are the same as the ones you're using on Pinterest to be consistent and so your viewers know that this is your account. And once you've created your account, you can start adding your affiliate links. And for each affiliate link, you're going to add a title and picture about your product. And this helps give viewers an idea of what products you're promoting. And once you've added all your links and images, copy your link of your Direct Me. Then go back to your Pinterest account and add your link in your bio. Now you're ready to create content. And you can use Pexels, Pixabay, and Canva for copyrighted free videos, images, and sounds. And make sure you post your videos as idea pins, since Pinterest is promoting them more than regular pins. And this is because Pinterest is trying to be like TikTok and they're trying to promote more video content. If you need ideas for your videos, you can always look at other people's content that is performing very well in your niche as inspiration. Then create multiple idea pins per day to drive traffic to your affiliate links. And make sure to stay consistent and be patient because remember, success doesn't come overnight. So keep on posting. And if you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, watch the video in the description box below.